Hey, hello. How y'all doing? Happy Mother's Day. How y'all doing in your neck of the woods? Everything okay? What up? Mothers and respect. Happy Mother's Day. And your girl Debbie from down a yard. Yeah, man. Well, the Mother's Day thing still are running out. So right here, so now, I have few little stuff right here. So zoom right in. I have a little, everything here away from the ice cream was homemade. As I go along, you will see everything was homemade. I have a Jamaican black cake right there, homemade by me. We have some where we dice up. We want to put together a nice little sundae. It's a Jamaican black cake, or we call it fruit cake. But guys, other people in America, Canada, they call it black cake. But we call it fruit cake in Jamaica. So me not just say a Jamaican black cake sundae to make everybody understand. Right? Okay now. We have some of the fruit cake where we cut in some little dice up thing. So we are trying to put together a sundae. So we are gonna put some base, some of the little diced fruit cake. Zoom in, zoom right in. We're gonna put a little base, yeah. No one put too much. Right here we have some dragon stout ice cream, dragon or Guinness or whatever. We're gonna put a scoop. Oops, I make a little mess there, but you don't know, we can start out our thing. Okay. So we put in a scoop. You see it, family? So it's like we're doing a little layer, right? So we're going to put another layer of the black cake. Onto that other layer of the black cake, we're gonna squeeze this down a bit, just a little bit. Okay? We're gonna put another layer of ice cream. Alright? Onto this layer of ice cream now, we have some homemade mango. You see it, family? We have, zoom in, we have some homemade mango topping. So we're gonna put a little of our topping, yeah, onto the ice cream. And onto the topping now, you can put a little more, yeah. See, we have little bits and pieces of mango in there. Onto the topping now, we're going to put a little, I think it's not strawberry, it's a little strawberry base flavored. You know, we're just going to get a little coloring. Oops, yeah. Onto that now, we're going to drizzle with a little peanut. Yeah. There you have it, guys. Jamaican black cake sundae, homemade black cake sundae from West Indian Delights. Zoom right in on it. Zoom right in on it and let them see it. Homemade, everything away from the ice cream. It was all homemade. Okay? Now, we can give you another little version. Zoom right in, let them see the text there, the black cake. So we're gonna put 3 little slices of the black cake. That's just another little version how you can set it up. Right? And you put in it, let them intersect right there. Onto this now, you're going to be very generous, really generous with some ice cream. Yeah? You're also gonna put a little of your mango thing coming down. Yeah. And now, onto this, you're gonna put a little more of your syrup. Drizzle it down. Okay? And then you're gonna top it off with a little of your peanut. There you have it. 2 versions. We're gonna clean up fast. Yeah, let them see it. Okay? Homemade Jamaican black cake sundae from West Indian Delights. Zoom right in. You know me, I go clean up. Let them see it. Right in. So guys, I just try to show you, say, you know, or you can be versatile at home. Yeah man, zoom right in on it, let them see it. 2 ways. The Jamaican black cake sundae from West Indian Delights. Homemade. Right? Homemade. Zoom right in on it, let them see. And of course, you know, say me have to taste piece. I want to know. What do you know? Hello, please. Listen to me. Please don't let the summer finish and you don't try this, guys. Don't let the summer finish. You need a black cake, some ice cream, whatever topping, your topping of choice, right? Whatever you want to use for your topping, right? So I'm going to try it. So, zoom in, let them see me. So I'm going to take one little piece of my black cake. Yes, please. I'm going to scoop. I want little ice cream coming up on it. Of course. Oh Lord. I'm a little peanut. Guys, it don't really matter if it's summer, winter, fall, spring or nothing. A Sunday is always in season. Right? So from my kitchen to yours, enjoy Jamaican black cake sundae. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave some comments below, turn on your notification, and please subscribe to the channel. We'd be grateful. Listen to me, man. Jamaican black cake sundae, you need to try it. And they be from down a yard,